In this video, we got the Air Jordan 1 Palomino coming in for early review. Now, I'm excited to check these out. I'm hearing a lot about them. I'm hearing a lot of good and a lot of bad. But now, at least, finally, I get them in hand in the studio to give y'all my thoughts and opinions on this Air Jordan 1. Now, as y'all know, man, it's a lot of heat coming up. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the videos. Make sure y'all subscribe if you have not done that already. Leave a like if you enjoy the content. But I'm excited about the upcoming releases that we have for the rest of 2023. And I'm not sure if this sneaker is on that excitement list or not. I told myself I was gonna hold off judgment until I got them in hand. And as you can see, finally have the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. Without further ado, let's get into it. Y'all, welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy Sniper Jones. I'm excited to have y'all watching the video. As y'all see in the box, we got something a little bit different. The box is different. I'm liking the extra that they put on this. It's like a reflected gold type accent on the top of the box, on the side panels, the whole nine. Shout out to Hype 24/7 for allowing me to review this sneaker early. I'm gonna leave a link down there in the description for y'all to go over there and check these out. Just about everybody who do content got a pair of these now. So I'm not sure if you've seen these or not, but if you haven't, I appreciate y'all patience, man. I appreciate y'all waiting for the kids. Let's finally pop the top on these, man, and see what they looking like. Come on now. Okay. I'm not mad at these. Bye, y'all. Here we have the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. And I ain't gonna hold you, bro. This look clean. All white midsole, or kind of like an off-white, actually. Nice off-white midsole, black, a nice dark brown. I don't know why, in my opinion, when I seen these on camera, photos, this brown look a lot different. The brown look a lot different. And the suede on these, oh, hey, hold on. The suede on these not bad either. I'm gonna keep it a bean though. Y'all know coming to this channel, I don't gas nothing, I don't hype nothing. If I say something tough, I think it's tough. If it's not, it's not. Now, for a little background information on this sneaker, if you're interested on picking it up, it's supposed to release September for the retail price of $180, which is pretty much standard when you're talking about Air Jordan 1s. And September is my birth month, man, so I might cop this for an early birthday present. I know y'all remember these, man. This is probably one of the most coveted pair of Air Jordans when it released, okay? And as you can see, it kind of has the same color blocking or reverse color blocking, almost like a black toe of the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. Now, as we look at them side by side, I'm gonna let y'all decide which one y'all like the best. Even though I've had these since the release date, bro, I probably only wore these like one time. And them rocks came in from the one time I wore it, I'm not gonna lie. Looking at these side by side, I think they both got promise. I think they're both pretty cool. I'm serious. No BS. Before getting these in hand, I didn't think that this shoe was even cop worthy. Now I might even be changing my opinion. I really like this color blocking. I don't know if I like it more than the mocha. Like I said, I want y'all to comment down below. Let me know which color blocking y'all think is best. I know the mocha got the resale value, or it had the resale value. I'm not even sure what these going for. So don't allow that to like tip the scales and make y'all make up y'all mind. All right, just keep it a bean, bro. No resale included. Which color blocking is better? This sneaker is a little bit different, however, because even though it pretty much has the same color blocking, it got some gold accents hinting towards the box. If you check out the tongue on this sneaker, the Nike Air isn't in the brown, white, or black that you see predominantly through the shoe. It got this nice gold reflective look, the same way as the box does. As I told you, not only did the shoe have a nice suede on the toe box, but it also got some nice suede on the Nike swoosh on the side of the sneaker as well, which is also a plus because, I mean, y'all know we love some good material. Speaking of material, we can't really get too deep into the sneaker without talking about the leather quality that's on the upper. Around the toe cap, man, I think the leather is pretty much nice stiff. It's not that tumble that we used to, but it's still a nice genuine leather. And it's the same kind of going up the entire shoe on the side panel of it, while the Nike swoosh, even on the upper collar of the ankle, it's all nice genuine leather. Not really too much to talk about, but I mean, that's what you get. Now, I'm not a reseller by any means, but I know these days the topic of discussion is this sneaker worth an investment? And in my opinion, I think right now these are going for like $300, and that's before the release, so I can't really imagine them going for the mocha numbers. Matter of fact, let me see what the Air Jordan 1 mocha is going for right now. Yeah, so the Air Jordan 1 mocha right now is going for like $467 in a size 12, which is it's up there. If I'm not mistaken, I think it's dropped. I remember it being higher than that. I don't know if this is gonna reach 467. I'm not gonna lie. Could it reach 400? Maybe. I think it depends on like how limited they are. Like I said, I know the color block, and it's something about black. Whenever black is included in something, unless it's like the bread, it's just like less desirable. White sneakers tend to do better than black sneakers, bro. I don't know why. I literally just did a review on the Bad Bunny Adidas. If you guys didn't check that out, man, make sure you check it out. It's like the latest video I uploaded. It's the Adidas response. He dropped the white pair, he dropped the yellow pair. Somehow this black pair nobody's feeling. I guess people just don't like the all black look, which ties into the same ideology behind this Air Jordan 1. I mean, I know this shoe will sell out. It will do well. The material is good. The color blocking is good. It's definitely cop worthy, but I don't think it'll sell or it'll cause anywhere near as much hype as Air Jordan 1 Mocha. But we got to remember, right? When the Air Jordan 1 Mocha came out, this was around the time the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott was kind of up in flames. It was a year later, or maybe 2 years later, after the Travis Scott OG dropped, and this was the only thing close that a lot of people that didn't have that Travis OG color blocking needed to grab. I actually have my Air Jordan 1 Travis Scotts here, so I mean, this was it. This was him. This was the one. When this dropped, I mean, everybody wanted an Air Jordan 1 this colorway, and Nike was smart enough to immediately drop, or maybe after 1 year, they decided to drop this, which was the Mocha. And that was a clear response of how many people wanted this. So first we had this right here. This was what people wanted, people talked about. Nike did a good job, to the point where I think they restocked these like several times. They came out with these again several times, and it's always done well, to the point where right now, currently, even after the restocks and after people got their hands on them, it's still currently being sold for almost $500. Fast forward a little bit later, we slide on down to the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. And this is a direct example of giving us a reverse of something that's already been successful. So Nike know what they're doing, man. They know how to repeat success. They see sneakers, they see patterns that's already been doing well, and they decided to put their 2 cents in and change up some things a little bit. I have no problem with it at all. As far as Air Jordan 1s, to me, man, they always fit true to size. I know a lot of people like to go half size down on these. Maybe it's because they like tight fitting shoes. I'm more just, I like comfort, you know what I'm saying? And as uncomfortable as Jordan 1s are, let's keep it a bean, they are not the most comfortable sneakers. I would definitely say go true to size on these, no question. Ability, they should be pretty available. I see this sneaker coming out in all sizes. That's kids, women's, adults, not women's, but you get infants, kids, men's. It should not be as hard to get your hands on these if you do the footwork. But I guess it comes down to the main question, is it worth buying? And I think that depends, right? If you're a person like me, right? I got the Travis Scott High. I got the Mocha. The real question is, do I need this colorway? And to answer it, in my opinion, I don't. I wouldn't. If I had the Mocha, I really wouldn't probably cop these, just because I don't need too many sneakers same color blocking. Let's keep it a bean, bro. Let's keep it a bean. If we talking fits, right? Because that's really what it comes down to for me. If we talking fits, what can I not get off with these that I cannot get off with these? It always comes down to it. Yes, this is darker. You might be able to pull off some different, but I can pull off the same fits with this as I can with this. And if I want to tone this down, I can always swap this back to the original laces, which was black. I swapped these out to white myself to make it look a little bit more cleaner, but I can get the same rocks out of these as I can with these. The black toe on it, like it's the same. So for me, I don't think it's a must cop. However, if you don't already own a Mocha, I say grab them. I mean, the material was good. The colorway is great. Price point is $180, so it's right up your alley. These will be on the Nike Sneakers app. They will be available to get. And if you just want them for resale, I mean, I think that's even a good pickup too, because these will definitely increase in value over time. It won't skyrocket like the Mochas, but they will have some value. You will make some profit. So I guess it just really depends on how long you plan on sitting on these until it's at a place where it's profitable. But we got a minute to figure it out, because it's not dropping until September, which means we got a little bit of time to figure it out. And hopefully videos like these, man, help y'all understand if you want this or not. I try my best to give you the details, show you different angles, talk about the material, and give you an all-around breakdown of any sneaker I bring to the table to let y'all know if it's worth buying or not before it even gets to you. Yo, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both of those are linked down below, man. The goal is 70K on IG and 15K on Twitter. Both of those linked down below. I appreciate that. Pretty much wraps the video up for the Air Jordan 1 Palomino. Let me know how you feel about these down below in the comments. Is it a cop or a pass? Are they even worth the hype? Till next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying that everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.